Hey, another great feature here on the first day of Excel's 40th year. Pivot tables, when they crash into something else, will now produce a spill error, so you can fix the crash. All right, so we have data here. We'll go to Insert, Pivot Table, go to an existing worksheet and put it here in K3, click OK, right? And even the preview can't appear because of this stuff. But if let's say I choose sectors, these sectors can appear, but when I choose revenue, then I'm crashing again. All right, so select obstructing cells. I can take those, I can cut and move them out of the way. Now, normally this would automatically refresh, but the PivotTable AutoRefresh has been temporarily pulled back. You see that we don't have that anymore, right? But as soon as that returns, this would automatically correct. Right now we have to click refresh. This is an improvement, right? Before it would just refuse to let you make the change, and then you have to go fix the obstructing cells first. Now that pivot tables are going to auto refresh, they might grow, they might run into other notes. Getting that spill error, I think, is a great improvement. Thanks to the Excel team for implementing that. Yeah, well, hey, we'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.